Alright, good morning guys and welcome back to another video. So it's 8:15 in the morning, currently headed off to the Virtual Firefighters car show today from 9 to 3. And again, like the Kinsman, this one hasn't happened the last 3 years too. I think Connor's gonna meet me there. Mark, hopefully, if he shows up this time or if he makes a cameo appearance like he did at the Kinsman 2 weeks ago. And then I know Josh and Max and Cooper I think are gonna be there too, and like a few other people from work too as well. How's it going, man? Yep, no worries. Thank you. Yeah, no problem, man. Alright, so it's car 52. I gotta check the video from last time because I think I might be the exact same car number that I was when me and Connor were here last time. I gotta check that right now. Also, like the Kinsman car show, we got these things here. Oh. I was 53, Connor's 54. So I was one earlier than last time. Okay. We were at the Kinsman. That's hilarious. Good coincidence. Oh, we got the Beetle crew coming in. See, Mark, you could have bought the Beetle. You would have fit right in here. Okay, so I've been here about 15 minutes or so. There's probably about like, so if I was car 52, there's probably about like 70 or 80 up about now at this point. But regardless, still gonna be a great day. So I'll probably fly the drone up in about like, maybe like another hour or two, give or take. Probably let more cars show up here and everything. I just saw Josh's truck rip by. You can hear that S10 from anywhere. Look who finally showed up. It's a collector's item. Did you get lost?
No.
You drove by and I saw you. Did you have to show off the exhaust or something?
No, I just didn't know where to park.
Oh.
I mean, hopefully they don't tow me away.
No.
Just, like right on the side on the road right there.
3 times stolen, 3 times recovered. That's impressive.
It's a good. This thing's got a good track record now.
It always likes to come back. This is the engine we were looking for my truck, the Chevy 350.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You're still thinking of engine swapping it, or?
Yeah, putting it in the garage in the winter and putting a new engine in it. I forgot to turn my stereo off in my truck. I'll have to walk back to do that. If you want to walk back,
yeah, we'll
circle around.
Got a Pontiac Solstice, okay.
But I don't have to go back to it. It goes.
Yeah. I like this orange one too.
Which orange one? That one?
This one, yeah, this one's pretty dope.
Oh, the engine. I always forget the engines are in the back on these things.
Boxers in these.
Oh, really?
Like Subaru engines? Because they fit pretty nicely.
That'd be so weird with hearing a Beetle with the Subi rumble.
Wow.
That is sick.
That is super cool.
So imagine if this is like a fake Evo's in Mazda 3 Speed 3 event only. Josh's like, I'd rather die.
I'm getting beat up. I would literally get joked by the end of the meet. They would literally beat my ass.
Yeah.
Like, no shot.
Okay, right next to the other Volkswagens.
That's Cocoa Bug. That's so cute.
Okay, guys, I don't think I'm best JDM now.
Oh my gosh, and it's the Nismo. Okay,
Oh,
you really
I
got that.
really got.
This might be the twin turbo V6 one.
And it's, oh my god, it's got the Nismo wheels.
Oh,
Dude, this thing is sick. Oh my god. Bro, that, dude, I gotta leave right now, man. This is nice. I want one of these so bad, actually. They're just so clean and stuff too.
Oh yeah.
I think I just hate that stupid back wiper blade though.
Oh yeah.
It's just like,
Just take it out.
yeah, honestly, I'd probably do the same. Yeah, man.
The blue one. Right, there's 2016.
15.
Damn, 15 BRs. Whoa, is that a Supra? Harley Davidson.
This is like when people like bedazzle their shoes. This is like when you bedazzle your car.
Multiple orgasm donor.
The sticker right on the top there.
It's got a
That's
whole bunch
a-
of shop stickers.
That
too.
must like
be blinding when the sun hits it wrong.
I know, it's
It's
just
just
like,
driving casually
like,
and the sun hits all the chrome right
Yeah.
into the eye.
but it's at that certain spot. Or like I bet you like no anything, if it's in the sun, you touch one of those, it's like burning hot.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. They're actually just like making
Oh,
a spot for them.
no, I saw that the other day. I saw
I will scrap with that guy. But you're looking at me.
I saw that at the
Where
summer.
you could out rev him in your truck.
Roars to life. It sounds so loud.
hear it
Oh
burn.
my god.
I was not expecting that.
Oh.
Get the tow truck.
Yeah. I mean, I have a tow on the back of my BRZ. Jeez, that guy's exhaust rest. Damn.
In the Beatles where it flips up, where it like it like turns.
Yeah.
I cleaned the
Yeah,
back. I
that's-
cleaned everything else.
Yeah, that's actually dope.
That's really cool.
Too slow? Too no.
Turbo.
Turbo.
I should just take the SI off. Turbo. Or just
Or-
take the T off.
Yeah, no, switch STI.
yeah.
Golf STI.
No, bro, it's a Golf SI. Just
Family just got. No, that's a Nova.
is it no?
Yeah, it was a 4-speed and that. It was like a weird green, but my dad's like, we could paint it.
Fair enough. Just a clean BRZ.
Looks clean.
Yeah, I know. I wonder who drives that. Someone with some. Someone.
Look at those fake carbon louvers.
I know. Look at that fade.
Let's pick it apart now.
If those are fake, the trunk must be
The
fake
trunk
too.
must
right?
be.
No, because the trunk's not peeling or fading at all.
Yep.
But this is the
Yeah,
biggest
if mint chip ice cream was a car. Okay, cool. Sick. Oh, that's sick. Echo off the side of the guardrail here.
Oh yeah.
All right, so I'm headed back from the car show now. That was a fun meet. So unfortunately, I couldn't fly the drone there because I was in restricted airspace because they had the airports like just down the street. I was like just on the border. I would have had to go like a little bit down the road to like Crossroads School to like actually fly. But then I don't know if I would have gotten all these like stupid warnings if I was like went in the restricted zone. But regardless, it was still cool. A lot of decent cars there. I'm pretty sure it was probably around the same time there that many. I mean, because again, like this lot can only hold so many, but they said they had about 150 cars, so it's a good show. And then we're gonna head to we're all gonna meet at my house later, and then go to Lundy's lane meet. So I'll make that in a separate video, so I can start pumping out some videos again because I haven't been slacking on the YouTube videos a lot lately, but we'll fix that for the future. But anyways, that's gonna do it for this meet and video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.